Are you tired of wasting time on ad campaigns? Meet Adstorm. Adstorm is an innovative AI tool. It creates winning ads with just 3 clicks. Let's dive into how it works. First, choose your campaign type. Options include social media, search ads, and display ads. Next, enter your product details. Describe your product simply and clearly. Finally, click Generate. Adstorm instantly creates personalized ads. It's that simple and quick. Adstorm uses advanced algorithms. These algorithms analyze successful campaigns. This means your ads are professionally crafted. Consider Sarah, a busy entrepreneur. She used Adstorm and saved hours. Her campaigns were optimized for her target audience instantly. In just 1 week, her sales grew by 25%. Imagine that for your business. Remember, saving time and effort matters. Adstorm allows you to focus on growing your business while it handles the ads. In summary, Adstorm simplifies ad creation. It helps craft engaging ads in 3 easy steps. If you want the full breakdown, including features, pricing, comparison, case study results, and my honest verdict, check out the complete Adstorm review.